It's again another beautiful day here in Haute-Vienne. The sky is cornflower blue and there is a real chill to the air. The log pile is dwindling at the behest of many a fire, and what's left of the vine clings hopefully to the pergola, dreaming of warmer days to come. The garden is looking a little forlorn, but work is afoot elsewhere. So this is the log burner in what will eventually be the lounge or salon. It's a bit too art deco for us, but it's worked perfectly well, until one day the inner casing collapsed. And as it's all in one piece, not fixable, even by Steve. As log burners are pretty expensive, and as you may remember we installed one in our bedroom at Les Bouiges, we thought we'd bring that one over, leaving easy pipework remaining so that a new one could be simply installed. So now it was a case of removing the old. See if you can spot the moment when he realises a critical, deliberate mistake.
You're kidding me. You put that on at 3 days. Spot the deliberate mistake. The front panel's on upside down.
Well, what a palaver. But as handy as ever, we now have a working fireplace, which looks beautiful and keeps the room lovely and warm. Back in the adjacent room, we were wondering if the staircase could be widened, as although beautiful, they are extremely narrow. So Steve started a bit of investigative work, finding out something rather alarming. Right, so what's happened here then, my darling?
Right, well, I pulled off a load of hardboard off the sides of the old staircase and revealed this beautiful, beautiful old oak. I'm presuming it's the same age as the rest of the house, nearly 200 years old. I couldn't get any of the nails out at all. I had to grind every single one of them off because they would rather snap than come out of the oak, but anyway. But my phone is ringing next door. After I removed all the plasterboard off the back of here, these stairs were so springy and not connected. They're in the wall that side nice and strong, but some of them aren't even touching this.
Oh God!
So,
and we've been going up and down those stairs.
Because well, they were boards all nailed to the back of it, so I think it was reasonably strong. But so I put a load of brackets on, not just these. I put brackets on the back of here as well, to make it really strong, and it is now very strong, but it's got to come out anyway because we're going to make it wider, but we're going to use the same materials, just move it out 6 inches or so.
Yes.
Or 150 millimetres. Pardon me whilst I have another bite.
No, because they are very narrow stairs, and because I go up and down the stairs with the linen basket and that sort of thing, and I know it just won't fit, and so yeah, unfortunately they do have to be widened, but I think it will make them it'll make it a real feature in the room. Yes, because you're saying something about putting a big post by the end of the bottom step, yeah, which is stone.
This post goes all the way to the floor, inside there. And it's a good substantial post. So we're just going to move this whole thing over. So there will be a post here We can't change that one, unfortunately. Well, not unfortunately, we can't change that one because it's made of stone.
Yes.
But everything else is made of wood, so wood's easy to...
Yeah, no, it's amazing. It's going to be lovely. Once they're all polished up and they're going to be a staircase I've always dreamt of, I think. That'd be beautiful.
Yeah. It'll be good. And it won't encroach into the room very much.
No, and I'm still trying to persuade Steve to knock this wall down as well. So this is all one big room. I know he doesn't want to, but I think I persuaded him.
Enough of knocking walls down.
I know, but I just think it would be fantastic to have this as one big room.
I'll tell you what we'll do. I'll have a deal with you and the viewers. I'll knock a big opening in it, and then we'll have a vote.
Oh no!
As to whether I should take it all out or whether we should keep the big opening.
Right. Okay. Well, I'm imagining that under the stairs will be the piano, and then I was.
Well, I have put wiring in for one of those
Yes.
nice brass reading lamps.
Yes, that would be gorgeous. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think that would go really well there.
The cable in ready for that.
Yeah, you have to think ahead. Okay, well, I'll swing round and a new door seems to be being made here, which is very exciting.
It's the sliding door for the shower room.
Ah, right.
You won't see this.
No, but that's because it's a bit lighter, isn't it? So that's going to be
It's
great.
probably going to be painted, I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I was meaning lighter in weight.
Oh yes, yes.
Yes.
That as well.
Gorgeous. Okay, brilliant. Back upstairs, and work has come on at an incredible pace. Not only has Jason boarded and insulated the whole thing, he's plastered it all as well, in record time. It's been very cold and I'm not sure if that's hindered or helped, but everywhere looks stunning. If I remember correctly, English plaster is a sort of pinky terracotta colour, but the French stuff is this lovely warm cream, which we would have chosen as our paint scheme, and apparently lots of people don't paint it. So, we shall see. The ceilings in La Forge are considerably taller than those in Les Bouiges, and I love the undulating curve of the oaken beams. I'm already planning having some dry tops hanging and some pretty lights, some of which arrived unexpectedly, and I couldn't wait to open them. Lights have arrived!
It's Christmas.
So these, oh gosh.
Well, it isn't Christmas, but every day feels like Christmas when parcels arrive.
So these are for the landing upstairs, and I'm just hoping that they're nice. I mean, they're absolutely lovely on the catalogue.
As things usually are. And then when they arrive, they're like tiny little things.
Yeah.
From the look of the box and from the weight of the boxes, I'm thinking that they're probably quite a nice size. So shall I come in and have a bit of a closer look? Ooh.
Ooh. Oh, that is much bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh, it's going to take ages to unwrap. Well, I chose these after we'd seen some others that had got.
These are the ones with the glass shades.
Yes,
Yeah.
glass. It's like a vase, and well, it looked like a vase. So that's the base.
Bit
Along the
wonky.
wall.
Let's straighten it up a little bit.
So that's quite nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And this is the vasey bit.
Don't break it.
Oh God, I hope not. And it should have. It said it had bubbles in the glass, which I thought was.
Yeah, when you first showed it me, I thought it had rice all over it or something.
Yeah, but I really.
That's
oh,
a
yeah,
beautiful
look at
shape.
that.
Look at the
Isn't
shape of that.
Lovely.
Look, can we get the bubbles? Can we see the bubbles in that glass? Hard to tell. Blimey, they're a lot bigger than I thought they were going to be.
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
That's lovely. Shame we haven't got any bulbs to put in.
They're the little ones as well.
They are the little ones, the little candle ones. Oh, they're going to be gorgeous. This black bit is a bit more modern looking, but I suppose
once it's covered in dust and cobwebs.
Yes. Which it will be.
Right.
Oh, that's great.
Should we take one upstairs and show one up to the wall?
Okay.
I'll carry it just in case.
Yes.
Right, see you in a sec. Right, so this is approximately where it's going to go. Like that.
Oh, that's going to look great.
3 of them, one there, one over in the middle, and one matching the other side.
Yeah. Oh, it's going to look really good. That's it. They are much bigger than I thought. It's so funny, although they give you the dimensions and everything, it's and you look at it on a measuring tape, you can never be sure, can you?
But the glass sticking out sticks out nicely past the beam.
Yeah, no, that's really good. Really, that's much better than I thought they were going to be. Oh, fantastic! Super duper. One of our lovely subscribers, Denise Mastromina, asked for a walkthrough, so here goes. This door is the entrance to the workshop. It has the secret room at the rear which we have yet to explore. This door, which we've decided to keep closed and not used, is through to the salon, where we have just installed the fire. This door, which was the front door, leads through to the kitchen. This is the one where we've knocked through to store wood, it seems, and where we put that lovely new little log burner. This door takes us through to the laundry, through this little door, and where we have started a new cauldron. The end door is to another smaller workshop area with a mezzanine level above that houses that small door that leads through to the spare bedroom upstairs. I hope I pronounced your surname correctly, Denise, and I hope that's helpful. I'll do a better one in a video soon. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and we hope you're all keeping safe and well. À bientôt!